Listen to me, Mr. Serpy. Just delete that off of your channel and just apologize to Mr. Traore, sir. Listen, if the man is a puppet, he's doing a real puppet job for him people them. Who is you don't want the people them Africa supposed to unite, brother? Man, rather you don't say nothing now, watch what's going on, boss man, and shut up, bro. Leave these things out of your mouth. You understand me? United. That is it. We lack of sharing. And if Africa starts share within themselves and stuff like that is great things. Who are you, bro? Want to segregate? Who are you, bro? Man, I used to watch you and I stop, man. Shame on you, brother. You're wrong. Who are you? Blessing. Salute to you, Abraham Chow. You're doing a great job for your people, them. I hope Father God continue and bless and keep you strong. The most name of the Most High. Blessing to you, my brother. One love. One Africa. Unite Africa. Yeah, we there in the jungle and we're feeling it from the jungle. People should eat and fend for themselves and share with each other. We're not united. We separate. And only time the power can come out is when we unite. That is it. You understand me? One love to the whole of the black people over the world and all of the rest are race, them white, Chinese, everybody. That is it.